We believe that every person should have the opportunity to learn about nature in nature. That's why we've selected and protected amazing natural sites not far from you. Welcome to Nature Havens, where wild bears, unafraid of humans, roam free, where forests are not hunted, and nature herself is your teacher. And you know where this is? Just a 2-hour drive from New York City. Yes, you heard right. You can enjoy wild black bears just 2 hours from New York. It's natural, it's beautiful, and it's safe. Nature Havens, because nature is a wonderful teacher.